Okay, so sa inyong hinumduman sa video?
Manulife.
Manulife? Paspas kay video, ma'am. Okay, so don't worry, katong inyong mga nakita ganina, ato na siyang i-discuss po in our succeeding slides. So, wherever you may be in your life right now, kung asa man ka nga phase, no, si Manulife for each and every individual. Ayan. So, Manulife, to start, is a multinational company, meaning to say, we are not only present in the Philippines, but we're also present in other countries.